What is up, my little chicken nuggets? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It is me, the dentist Scott here, and today I will be posting another video, as you can tell by the title, and that is how I prepare to learn to dance, like a K-pop dance, any dance, but most likely K-pop dances because I don't really do any other dances except for K-pop. I might get out of my comfort zone and learn more, but today's video is just how I, like prepare for them and like how I, actually learn them and how I'm so successful. So, guys, there's pretty much nothing else to talk about in the intro, so let's get straight into it. But let me just say this. Please like, subscribe, tell everybody about it, and let's just get straight into the video. And also, I don't know why I have these glasses on, like they're very unnecessary. I don't know why I have them on, but I'm just putting them on just for no reason. So anyways, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is obviously just get into a comfortable position. I don't know where you guys normally stretch, because that's what this step is. You're gonna have to stretch first, guys, because stretching is a vital part of dancing, because if you don't stretch, your body's gonna literally ache you. And I know how that feels because I've gone a long time without stretching, and sometimes my dancing sessions can be a little bit intense, so I need to like rest my body for like a week or so, and it's not nice at all. Like, it's just painful. But anyways, guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I stretch, and we'll get into the rest of the things right after we're done. Okay, so now you guys basically get the basics. You can do whatever stretches you want, but those are personally the stretches that I prefer doing. It makes my body feel a little bit more, relaxed. And once you're all stretched out, you can get straight into it, or you can just do more stretches. But guys, after I do my stretches, the second thing I do is just pick my cover, or the one that I want to do. So for example, I would just go for Cheshire because I want to learn Cheshire. So I'm gonna learn Cheshire first, and obviously, that's pretty straightforward. You just pick your dance, and once you have it all set up, you can just start learning it. And let's get into step number 3. So basically, guys, after this, you just start practicing. And once you start practicing, make sure that you split up the video, split it up in different days. So first of all, let's just say I would write down like the pre-chorus, bridge, intro for Monday, and then Tuesday would be like a different part of the song. You have to split it up, make sure you perfect those parts, so that once you bring it all together, you're just like, wow, I actually learned this dance. And then once you put them all together, you're gonna have to make sure that you really polish all of the moves, make sure that everything looks nice, smooth, and clear, and everything like that. But after that, guys, that's pretty much all to how I learned my dances. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this short little video, and it was a short little tutorial as well. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the rest. Can I just not stutter? I hope you guys have enjoyed the rest of this video, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And I hope you guys have really, really, really put your time and effort into watching me, because I shouldn't be boring, right? Anyways, guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I love you guys. Bye, chick nuggies.